Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made these DIY stacked sweats for only $20. That's right, $20. So far, I've been seeing these sweatpants go for $60 or more online. So, why not make them at home for less? Okay? So if you guys are excited to see how I made these, just keep watching because we're about to get into this tea right now. Sis, right now. Subscribe. Okay, so first things first is you want to have a sweatsuit, preferably a sweatsuit that has a matching top. You want both the pants and the fabric from the top to match up, just so that it can look better. You want to make sure that your sweatpants fit you nice, girl. I got me a size extra small in the sweatpants, and for the top, I got an extra large, I believe, just because my legs are thick. I want to make sure that the sleeve can fit on my leg because that will create the stacked effect. You're going to be taking the sleeve of the shirt and adding it to your pants. So first things first, you want to cut the sleeve off and you want to cut where the shoulder is. And next you want to try it on just to make sure that it fits you the way that you want it to. And then you want to cut the wrist part off of the shirt. And after cutting the wrist, of course, you want to do the same thing to the sweatpants. You want to cut the ankle portion off of the sweatpants, and you'll be connecting those two pieces together. So your wrist will connect to your ankle. All right? The wrist part of your shirt will connect to the ankle part of your pants. All right? You still with me, honey? Okay. So now what you want to do is pull the pants through the sleeve of the shirt. But while you're doing that, you want to flip the shirt inside out. So the outside of the sleeve should be touching the outside of your pant leg. Alrighty, I hope I'm explaining this fine. So I'm just adding some pins to my pants just to make sure that I'm sewing in a straight line. You can always hand sew these as well. You do not need a sewing machine for this, but if you are using a sewing machine, pins help to ensure that you're sewing in a straight line. And I'm using black thread, so you won't really be able to tell if my thread is crooked or not. And this is where you are going to sew on it in the straight line. And I'm not going to show you guys how I sew it because the way my camera is set up, I'm not going to have no good angles for y'all. I'm just showing y'all where I'm sewing. I'm sewing right on that line, and you want to make sure you have a hole for your leg to go in, okay? And this is what the pants should look like after you finish sewing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is a really easy project. It only takes 10 minutes. If it's not your first time, then it should take you like 10 minutes. If it's your first time, maybe 20. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.